Hi everyone and welcome back to another screencast. This is on inequalities, but in particular it's on values. Hopefully you're going to find it nice and easy. We're very quickly going to go back over inequalities. An inequality is a relationship that connects two numbers. It is normally used to compare two numbers on a number line by their size. And it's an inequality because we don't actually know the exact number. Make sure that you're aware of how number lines work. Please just stick with me. Hopefully you've done a little bit of work already on inequalities, so you're well on your way. Let's just go over them again. So x is greater than 8, so it needs to be 9, 10, or so forth and so on. X is greater than or equal to, so it could equal 8. It could be 9, 10, or further afield. X is smaller than, so it's definitely going to be 7 or less. X is smaller than or equal to, it means it could be 8, but it's definitely going to be going in the other direction, which is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, -1, -2, so forth and so on. Let's have a look at some basic examples. So hopefully you already know what you're doing. So just to check, pause the video now, give this a go, come back and see if you've got it correct. Alright everyone, so first, we should have x and 1 written down. Now x is definitely going to be bigger than 1. Remember that x is somewhere over here. So it's going to be bigger than 1. So it goes in that direction. It's not equal to because this is not shaded in. Alright, give this one a go. Pause the video, give it a go, come back and see if you've got it right. So here we go on this one. We've got x again and we've got 1 again. We know that x will be greater than, but on this occasion, because it's shaded in, it's equal to. And here we go. Give this one a go and see if you've got that one correct. Okay, so we know we've got 1. We know we've got x in the middle. Remember, x is somewhere along this line. And we know we've got 5. Oh, let me get rid of those little. There we go. We know we've got 5. But what do we do with the symbols? We know that x is greater than 1. So the first symbol goes that way. But we know that x is less than 5, but it's going to be equal to. And there we go. Now we're looking at our values. So we have a question like this, and basically the question will say, give all the integer values that x could be. So we're looking at our number line and we're saying it can't be 1, but it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4, but it can't be 5. If these were shaded in, then they could be those numbers. So x is bigger than 1, but less than 5. It's 2, 3, or 4. Okay, you're going to have a chance to do some yourself, but it'll be 2, 3, or 4. It's really easy when we have these number lines to express it and show it, isn't it? Right, I wanted you to give this next one a go. So first things up, I'll draw that number line out. And now I want you to write all the values that x could be. Pause the video, give it a go, come back and see if you've got it right. Okay, so let's look at it. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4. So we need to write down all of those numbers. Because they're shaded in, it could be all of those numbers. Remember, if they weren't shaded in, it can't be those. All right, we're getting close to the end, everyone. I know that you'll be very pleased about that. So we've got x in the middle there, we've got -3, and we've got 4. So that's all I'm going to do now. I want you to do the rest. Come back and see. Oh, sorry, I need to put in those, don't I? Okay, that's all I'm going to do. I want you to go away, give it a go, come back and see if you've got it right. All right, so let's draw this up on the number line. So let's write down all the numbers it could be. It could be -3, it could be -2, it could be -1, it could be 0, it could be 1, 2, 3. But it can't be 4 because it's not in. So let's list all those now. 3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And there you go. If you can do that, you know exactly what you're doing and you're away. And this is where you should be able to do this all on your own now. So all I want you to do, pause the video, give these questions a go, come back and see if you've got them bang on. Okay, everyone, here we go. The answers are coming up right now. It could be 3 because it's equal to, and it could be 4, but it can't be 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And on the last one here, we've got 2, 3, and 4. So I'm absolutely positive you've done fantastic. I feel it in my bones. But you need to write a revision card so that in 3 months' time, you'll be fantastic. Remember, I'm trying to get these done electronically for you. So send us a little comment in the section below, and I'll see if I can flip some your way. But as always, it's been a pleasure helping you with your maths today. Hopefully you feel like you've got better every time you watch one of these videos.